Hello everyone, I'm Sudeep and welcome to my channel, The Cyber Die. Today I will be doing the CronOS box. Um, this is a medium rated box, and this box is in the OSCP preparation list for TZNL, from TZNL. So let's get started. So So I've already performed the auto recognition scan on this particular box. So from the initial Nmap scan results, I can see that there is like port 22 open, port 53, and port 80. Looking just over the top on this scan result, like there's not much interesting details over here. If we go to port 80, um, let's use it. Let's go to port 80 from the browser here. 10.10.10.13. So this is just the default Apache base over here. If let's check the base search if there's anything interesting. No any comments. Yep, nothing interesting over here. So I'm just going to run the GoBuster scan. So I'll just run the normal without extension first. Yeah. I'm just using the smallest list because I've already done this medium and big before, and there's no any directory over there that the GoBuster finds. So I've used that one. Let's look for some extensions as well. If it's there, so I'm looking for .php, .txt, .xml. Let's just check this 3 if there is anything interesting. No, there is not. Okay, so now we can see like there's literally nothing we can do from this port 80 over here. So let's go back to our Nmap scan and port 22. I looked for the version over here, and then this person is vulnerable to the username enumeration, but like it's not much of a use for us. There's nothing we can do like just finding the usernames. Anyway, I tried, and then like I feel I couldn't even find one username over there. So let's go and see the 53. 53 is like normally the DNS port. Let's see if we can find anything interesting. Let's check the DNS Nmap scan performed by AutoRecon. There is nothing in here. Let's check the reverse lookup. Okay, so yep, so you can see over here the name server for the website of for the server, let's say. So the name server is ns nameserver1.cronos.htb. So what we have to assume in this case is like there is a DNS server running on this computer, and then we may have the website for the cronos.htv. So let's quickly add that to the ADC host. I already done that one, and so before I show you that one, so even for the DNS like enumeration, I use this one TGSX for Cronos address. If there is any other web directory or websites that we may not know, where we couldn't find from our initial DNS reverse lookup. So it gives us that one. So we can see over here it has like CronOS STB that goes to name server 1, and then the website chronos.stv goes to that one. And then we also have like admin.chronos.stv. So what I've done is like I've added both of those chronos.stv and admin.chronos.stv into our ADCO so that we can access it from our from our web, like from Mozilla Firefox. So let's go and see that chronos.stv. Okay, there's nothing interesting. Let's do Nicto scan if we can find anything here. And at the same time, let's visit admin.chronos.stv. No, let's. Sorry, base source. Okay. Nothing over here. Let's use some normal admin password. Nothing. Admin. No. Okay. Let's run that one. So I've already run the Nicto vulnerability scanner on chronos.stv as well, and I couldn't find anything. And even when I run the GoBuster on chronos.stv, I can just run the small GoBuster here to double check, but there's no any web directory that we can find. CronOS. Oh, we do have robots.txt though. Let's check if there is anything interesting here. Nope, nothing. Web.config. Nothing. This is like not of much use. So like we don't have any clue like what this what might be the username or what might be the credential for this login page. So let's see if we can use if this is vulnerable to SQL injection. So I do have a SQL list over here, word list, yep. So I'll just run this through. Let's just open JAP. Like JAP is really cool tool that I use when I need to brute force something because like burp suite is like really slow, and then it really slow if you're using the community version, and like of course I'm using the community version for and this is because I opened two JAP at once. Let's sort that down. don't know how many tabs I opened. Okay. Let's start again from the first. What we can do other things. If there's anything interesting. Okay, tab is running. Cool. So yeah. Hello and hello. Let's try to brute force this. Okay. So I start with password, files, payloads, add to have strings over here. So these strings, these are the strings I got from payload all things. You can just search for payload all things in GitHub, and then it has everything starting from SQL injection to CSRF, almost literally everything, command injection, directory traversal, and everything. So let's just try that one. And let's see if we get anything interesting. Size. No, no change. Okay, let's try the admin. Let's fuzz the admin thing. Payloads, add. Okay, start fuzz. Yeah. Okay, so we see there's something different. I don't know why my computer is too slow today. So we can see this different thing. What did it say? So yeah, so we got a welcome.php on these payloads. So of course admin query is admin places vulnerable to SQL injection. Okay, admin field is vulnerable to SQL injection. So we can just use one of these payloads. So I'll just use that one. Slash order equals to 0. Let's go and try that out. Slash 0 equals to 0. Yes. We can just put whatever there. Okay, cool. That's good. 10.10.14.16. That's my thing. Nope. There's nothing. You can turn that off now. Trace ping 10.10.14.16. it's running. It is working. Okay. So now what this does is it runs traceroute or ping command, and we can just execute it. But we can use like multiple commands in Linux, so we can use either semicolon or and or double and double pipe. Okay, so let's just start with semicolon if that works, because some of the times like this command injection, it is sanitized and we cannot use semicolon, or we cannot use maybe and something like that. So let's see if this semicolon works. It does. Okay, so we have config index logout session and welcome. Let's see if get. Yep, so we can see. So our user is Nollis. That's okay. Let's just do fun and let's do cat slash home slash Nollis. Let's get the user.txt. Yep, so that's the user.txt. Now we can try using some of the like reverse cell. Let's set up. I think we can close this one now. We don't need Zap anymore. Like Zap is a really cool tool though. Let's set up. So didn't find anything at all nuclei as well. That's okay. Let's do 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try and use maybe Python. Let's try and see if we can use Python, but that is too big. Oh, wow, okay, that's good. So yeah, so just using the Python is where we get the reverse cell. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, when I did the box before, like I didn't use Python script. I just I tried using netcat, bash, and telnet. Didn't work, so I just uploaded the PHP cell, and then that's how I got my reverse cell. But hey, it's easy. It's better. Learn something new again. So yeah, so the Python works. Didn't learn something new, but like found out Python works as well. So let's see who. Where am I with data? Let's spawn this cell. Next time. I'm just trying to create a workable cell over here. Let's see. Okay, so let's see if we can find anything here. Let's go to home plugins. That's the user text we already had a look at. The connection is struggling. Don't know why. Okay. So there is literally nothing over there. Okay. There is nothing. So yeah, I tried looking everywhere, didn't find anything, so I uploaded the lean page script. So let's go to my cd // let's run that. Okay, the connection is like really struggling. Did someone reset the computer? Okay. Oh god, how slow can this be? I don't know why this is so slow. So you can see one vector here. This must be pseudo vector for privilege escalation. Okay, something interesting. So cron job. So it looks like there is a cron job going on. Let's just copy this thing. So there's a cron job going on every minute, I think. For root is running the PSP command on var ww laravel authentication. Okay. Okay, that's done. Let's go to C var www laravel. So okay, so authentication is apparently a PHP file owned by data. So what we have to do now is we can just change the content of authentication to a malicious PHP code, and then we can get a reversal as a root. Let's run 1 2 3 4. Control C, CT. No, I don't need that one. On SX, I do have a reverse cell over here as well. R cell 1 2 3 4. Yep, so it's all done. Sell.php, so we can upload this file. And what I've also done is I've just created a basic script which changes the file. Which changes the file name for authentication to West, and then renames my PHP script to authentication, and then makes it executable. So let's get those files. wget10.10. Oh god, this is so slow. 14.16. Cell.php. Dun dun. I need to open the server here first. Yep. Sales.sh, yep. Sets again. So I've already started a listener on port 1234. That's where it is, yeah. I'm gonna stop that server going. So what I have to do is just run. See. God, if I type it correctly. Change.sh. Cool. So there must be a west. Yep, so there's a west. And then we have authentication. And let's just wait for the reversal and hope it works. It is so slow. But cool, okay, so we got the reversal now. Where my root? This one doesn't seem that slow. No, it is. Okay, so that Python cell was like really unstable. Cd root. Oh, it is like, it is struggling as well. Root.txt. What? So that's our root.txt file. Okay, so yep, so this was an easy box, although my machine was like really struggling. I don't know why. Yeah, so we used SQL Injection to bypass the authentication, and then we just used the command injection to get initial cell, and after that we just used the cron job and then to get the privilege escalation. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.